So the text tool, so S is the keyboard shortcut, so I can click on S and then I can get my sketch tool up. Asks me for a plane, so I'm going to click on the front plane. I'm going to go N on the keyboard to go normal to, and P to get rid of the plane, so we've got our sketch area. Text up here, the shortcut is, well, it's not constrained for me at the moment. I could add one if I wanted to. Click on it and I can drag and get a sketch box up here. I could type in design, like so. I can change the font if I so wish, so I can go up to here and I could get Baybass News, nice little font, quite narrow, but can be quite good. You can flip it horizontally, vertically, however you want, and press the green tick, and there is our text. Now, obviously, that is all blue, so we need to constrain it. So I could click on this line here, and I could go and click on this point and go for a midpoint constraint, and that is set that. It's blue because we can change the height, so I could click on this point, move it around, and that's going to give us the height or the length to give us a scale. So I could go here, dimension this, and make it, say, 60 millimeters tall, and now it is all fully constrained. If you want, obviously, you can make it 3D by clicking on extrude, and then you have got your letters. You can make it a surface if you so wish, and you could select different lines to extrude out. That's probably the most common type that you're going to use, solid and surface, like so. We can change that to be maybe 20. We can make it symmetric about the mid plane. We can add a draft if we want to, so you could add it to make it thicker or thinner at one end. So if I put a 10 there, you can see because it's about the mid plane, it's kind of given us draft in both directions. If I did it non-symmetric, it would be a draft just sticking out, but it's not liking that. So let's go and give it a draft of something less. There we go, 3 degrees, and you can see that it's drafted out like so. So that is sketching, that is text, quite useful, quite quick, quite easy. You could also add this onto part of your design if you wanted embossing, or if you wanted to get a cutout on there as well.